Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Byte on your phone. So this will work with any mobile device, whether it's Android, iPhone, whatever it is, going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, we're going to start off just by clicking the Byte app. You're going to want to go to the bottom right hand corner where the little person is, that little icon there, and then you're going to want to click on Edit Profile. And then you're going to see in the middle of the page a little smiley face if you haven't got a picture there already. You can profile picture, you can go upload, you can click on that, and then you're going to want to find whichever picture you want to use your profile picture. I'm just going to use this one just for the sake of a random screenshot. So you can click choose, you can like resize it or whatever, and then it's going to save it. So you can click save there, and then once that's done, it's finished. You can go ahead and obviously, this is basically what it's going to look like if you already got a profile picture and you want to change it. So you see it here, the profile picture there, you can upload. Then you can go get the picture that you want again, and then you can just change it. Put it like this or whatever, just resize it however you want it. It's got to fit within those parameters of like the little bit it's not shaded, remember. So make sure once you've done that, you click choose. And then it's going to load up. It literally takes half a second, and then you're going to make sure you're going to want to click save. You can't just go cancel, otherwise it won't change. And then you'll see it's going to have changed, and that's how it's done. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click to one of the links to other playlists and videos on screen to see more Byte how-tos. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.